Which of the following is illegal? A. Using CFC, HCFC or HFC refrigerants. B. Manufacturing or importing HFO refrigerants into the U.S. C. Knowingly releasing CFC, HCFC or HFC refrigerants during the service, maintenance, repair or disposal of appliances. D. Selling recovered refrigerant to a reclaimer.
C. Knowingly releasing CFC, HCFC or HFC refrigerants during the service, maintenance, repair or disposal of appliances. If you are not ready to rate, please keep replying so we can wrap this up. You have paid for your consultation. I am not paid for my time until you rate. If you stop replying and do not rate, the question will time out and neither of us benefit from the money you spent. Thanks. Remember that you can still follow up for 30 days after rating at no additional fee. You should see 5 stars across top of page for rating. Until you rate, I will get notifications that I need to finish answering the question. Bonus is always appreciated but of course not required. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.